What's the meaning of chief constable? Chief constable. Chief constable.
Chief constable. Chief constable. A chief constable is the highest-ranking officer in a police force in the United Kingdom. They are responsible for the overall management and direction of the force, including budgets, policies, and operational strategies. The chief constable is appointed by the local police and crime commissioner and works closely with other senior officers to ensure the safety and security of the community. Their main duties include maintaining law and order, preventing and detecting criminal activity, and managing investigations into serious crimes. The role requires strong leadership skills, extensive experience in law enforcement, and the ability to make tough decisions under pressure.